In recent years, ODA to Nepal has been on a steady decline. Even more concerning is the shrinking grant component of development support. We are also witnessing trends where aid is repurposed to cover domestic spending in donor countries, including refugee support, rather than being directed to the development in recipient nations. Donor fragmentation, lack of coordination, shifting priorities, and bypassing national systems continue to undermine the effectiveness of aid. Excellencies, this is where the Sebia commitment offers us a critical opportunity, a chance to reframe and revitalize global development cooperation. It is a landmark achievement, but its success depends on our collective resolve. We must ensure that development assistance is not only efficient, but also adequate, predictable, and aligned with the needs of developing countries. Let me be clear, effectiveness cannot compensate for insufficiency. We urge developed countries to honor their commitments, not in principle, but in practice. Let us invest in people, not in weapons. Development assistance must return to its core, delivered as grants or highly concessional finance, aligned with national strategies, challenged through country systems and budgets, channeled through country systems and budgets, designed to strengthen service delivery and build resilience. Climate finance must also be scaled up, with new and additional resources earmarking for adaptation and mitigation in the most effective countries. And finally, all assistance must aim to build capacity and strengthen the long-term governance and financial self-reliance of developing countries. Excellencies, the true purpose of international development cooperation is not dependency, but dignity. Not temporary support, but sustainable transformation. It is time for a shift in approach, one that centers local ownership, fosters mutual trust, and upholds transparency and partnership. The challenges before us are daunting, but the solutions are within reach. Let Sebia be our new beginning, a moment where we translate promise into action and vision into impact. Let this roundtable serve as a catalyst to advance this spirit with renewed commitment, courage, and hope. Thank you.